In this video, I'm going to show you how to read Snapchat messages without opening them. So let's just go and open Snapchat. And of course, for me, I'm just going here to the messages right away. Let's just say an example. This team Snapchat send me some messages. And if I go to and read, it's the only messages as you can see. So I want to see them without opening those messages. So in order to do so, we would like to use the half swipe. It is a chat speak hand. So just place your finger on the chat that you want to see. Don't keep clicking on it because it will show you this. What you'll have to do is click on the icon right away and start swiping. And do not remove your finger. Do not remove your finger. So all you need to do is swipe like that. See as an example the messages. And as I said, do not remove your finger. If you remove your finger, that means you've seen the messages. So as you can see, when I give it back, when I turn it back to what it was, it's the messages is still in read. And as you can see, I already swiped and see the whole message. So as you can see, chat with a friend or create a group chat, keep the conversation going and happy chatting. And as you can see, the chat is still on in read. So as you can see, this is the option that you can read Snapchat messages without opening them. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.